All right, this is a 1-minute tip. The girls are out here helping me organize my sockets. Isn't that great? Now to be really, really organized. This is about the Canam stock wheel on the X3 XRS. So I'm using these Tensor aftermarket tires on the stock wheel, and I found that the stock wheel has, I don't know if you can see it. All right, now that I've got the camera to zoom, to focus a little bit, see this little hole? It's like a mold imperfection that's along the side of this rim. It's along the side of this rim. It's very small, but it allows the wheel not to completely seat on the rim. And what I've done is I've taken some epoxy and I've filled in the hole some JB Weld type epoxy, and then I'll sand it down so that it seals, and it seemed to work on the other wheels. But that's just a quick tip, probably only helpful for about 3 people in the world that have these rigs. So,
3 people.
3 people, right? Yeah.